Good morning, gentlemen. So my three favorite tools I use for keeping my garden well maintained, I'm gonna show you that right now. The first one is that those are the three teeth hook to remove all the bad growing stuff, and it's good for loosen the earth too. And by the way, that I bought that in Germany in 2001 because I had a garden down there. I had huge tomato plants and beds and various other radish too. I have the same thing here. It's a smaller. It's a 3-1. Also, I bought that in Germany. Very useful. That's for around the plant. It's very good. And this, believe it or not, I found that in the middle of a field again in Germany, and it was broken. I managed to find the other piece, and that's the only thing left. I found the wooden pole. I installed it while I was here, but I welded it, and it's great just to do underground work. So you're gonna see me doing that on the garden, all right? Cheers. All right, gentlemen, so let's go at it and start the collimator because it ain't gonna be too long, all right? So that's what I just done. I just do raise the garden bed, remove some excess bad leaves, and using my three tools you just saw. Usually I water the garden at night, but since I just moved everything, I'm gonna water it a little bit more, and so you guys can see how I water the garden. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera closer. All right, cheers. All right, so as you just saw, it doesn't take me too long to water the garden. This week, it's been raining every second day with a good downpour. But the previous month, I had to water the garden daily. I did empty both of my barrels, so I had to use current water from my well. but it didn't take too much. 10 minutes per day, that's it. That's the only thing I put in on the garden as a maintenance. And once a week, you just saw me raking the garden, removing the bad leaves. So that's one part of my daily and weekly chore about my victory garden. All right. And finally, I did went to a place to when they have vines. So I'm gonna show you. Those are gonna be the type of vines. They're that's the type there, Trollhagen. It's a red wine, and yeah, I'm very happy about these. So that's the correct space I did, and it will grow. I ain't gonna have any grapes this year, but next year, or probably the year after, I should have some. Cheers.